Hey guys, I hope you all are surviving your first week. I know being fully online is not ideal, but this is kind of where we're at this semester, so we're just going to make the best of it. But I just wanted to kind of go over a few things. You can see that I have been posting announcements. You can see here that I already have 3 for this class since we've started. After grading, this was some of the common themes that I put in this last one. Make sure you're not posting your work directly in the assignment box. Make sure you're uploading your assignment in a Word document. Some of you guys have been doing that, but most of you guys, for the most part, have uploaded in Word. Also, make sure you're using either Word or PDF. There has been some documents that I've had submitted that just really aren't compatible with Blackboard, and even after attempting to retrieve it, I just can't get the information. But I've never had an issue with Word or PDF, so if you can submit work in that, that is like a foolproof way to know that I will be able to grade your work. So make sure you're using college level grammar. That just means like uppercase I's. Make sure that you're capitalizing sentences. I know that seems very elementary, but this is college level class. So make sure, I'm always surprised the first week at some of the grammar that comes through on the discussion post and assignments. So I understand we're just kind of all getting our feet wet, but make sure that you guys are using college level grammar. I'm not an English teacher, so I'm not just going to break it apart, but I do expect words to be spelled properly. I expect sentences to be capitalized. I should always be capitalized and things like that. I did not deduct points for grammar this week, but I will be beginning next week, so make sure you get that right. And then again, I can't tell you enough to meet your required word counts. You will see it is 300 words for your original discussion and then 150 for each of the other 2 responses. So you'll see that I will send every week when I get done with the grading, I will go ahead and post some of the common themes where people lost points for the week. You will see on your grade, I'll put little comments and why you lost points. If you didn't lose points and you got full credit, I'm not going to probably give you any feedback because that means you did everything right. That means that you met the requirements of the assignment and everything looked good. So just keep on doing what you're doing. If you see that I have given deduction of points and you don't exactly understand why, then let me know. So as we go forward, I just kind of want to show you week 2. I know you guys are already working in week 2 right now. Week 2 discussions, as we open that up, you can see here everything's looking good. You guys are still working through the discussion board, so just coming through here, looking at it. If you, let's see here, I'm going to go down to week 2 assignment. Once you click on week 2, you will see the reading materials, and then you have your mental health assignment. So pretty straightforward week this week. If you have any questions with anything, let me know. As I said before, the weeks will kind of open and close, but for this week, I know you already have your original discussion post posted. Just make sure that you get your 2 responses by let's see, Tuesday. By the end of the day, make sure that you get your assignment, your mental health assignment, posted by Tuesday, the end of the day. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. I hope you guys have a great week.